Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Acorn Box. Acorn Box is a simple digital app that allows users to manage money, make transactions and access different wallet features directly from their phone. And one useful feature inside the Acorn Box is the invite friends option, where you can invite your friends to join the app and sometimes earn rewards, bonuses or the benefits depending on the current offers. In this video I'll show you how to invite your friends in Acorn Box step by step in a very easy and beginner friendly way. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So first what you can do is you need to open to your Acorn Box and make sure to log into your account using your registered email or phone. And if you do not have an Acorn Box app yet, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And once you reach into this dashboard, in the top right corner we can see there's a small profile icon here. Select your profile icon. Over here what you can do is you need to go to the settings. Once you reach into this setting, we could see there's an option for the invite friends. Simply tap on the invite friends. You can simply invite your friends from any of the socials as well, and you can send the invite link through your WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, email or social media. Ask for friends to sign up using a link to complete the invitation, and once your friend joins and meets the requirements, any reward or bonuses will show up in your Acorn Box account if applicable. And that is it. That's how you can invite friends in Acorn Box easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.